Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, I will show you continual EPS cutting line. This is the basic type continual EPS cutting line run in our customer's factory, which do not have the top and bottom scrap system, do not have the PE film wrapping machine. We have automatic storage line for your option. The first face cutting has automatic while set function to adjust the cutting thickness. All the wire can be set within 3 minutes. When the EPS block approaches to the first face cutting, the wire will heat up and start oscillate cutting. The EPS block size is 1200 mm by 600 mm by 6000 mm. The maximum cutting height is 1200 mm, so we can stack two pieces of EPS block together to cut at the same time. The first face cutting for horizontal cutting to get different thickness EPS sheets. The second face cutting for vertical cutting to remove the edge on the four sides. The third face cutting is cross cutting, which are 6 meter long EPS block is cut into 0.5 meter in this video. Of course, you can set different cutting widths as you need. The cutting direction is from bottom to top. Because two EPS blocks are stacked together on the EPS cutting line. So this EPS cutting line is equipped with a destacker in order to divide the 1200 mm height EPS sheets into two 600 mm height EPS sheets for easy packaging. This EPS cutting line also have a small PP strip packaging machine. But when I shoot this video, the end user do not request packaging, so the PP packaging machine is disabled. EPS cutting line is highly customized item. For more information about EPS cutting line, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. We would love to hear from you. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.